Alright, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon everybody. Here an explanation about exercise 9, where you need to use the order of operation. And first of all, you need to know the order of operation. So let me just remind you what are the orders. First of all, we need to do the brackets. So find in the exercise any brackets. Then order number 2 is to find any powers or square roots, but we're not gonna discuss this one in this chapter yet. Order number 3 is to multiply or divide. Number 4 is plus, addition or subtraction, and you need to do everything from left to right. Yeah, so very important. Well, if you look at exercise 9, we find the brackets. There you go, that's your first bracket. And inside the bracket, there's another bracket. This one. So we're gonna focus at that bracket, that part. And there's the first order, and that's 2 times 12. Yeah, so we're gonna copy everything. What we are not gonna do anything. So 120 divide by 2, multiplying, opening the bracket, 3 plus opening the bracket again, and then 2 times 12 is 24. 24 minus 23. I'm gonna close the brackets again from the 24 minus 23 and close the bracket again from this one, the first opening bracket. All right. Please write down under each other. That's much easier because then you know what you're doing, and if you made any mistakes, you can fix it immediately. Alright, so again, inside that bracket, 24 minus 23 is 1, so 120 divided by 2 times, opening the bracket, 3 plus, and now we can leave the first bracket, because we just solved 24 minus 23, that's 1. Alright, that's still one bracket, the 3 plus 1, that's 4. So 120 divided by 2 times 4. Again, you can leave the bracket. And then in one line you will find a division and a multiplication. And we need to do everything from left to right. So first 120 divided by 2, that's 60, divide by 4, and 60 divided by 4 is 15. So 15 is the final answer. Alright, if we're gonna look at exercise B, I see a lot of brackets, in total 3. This one belongs together. Then the other one after the 5, and then the first one, 28 divided by 27, 28 divided by 7 and then plus 2, and we're gonna start with that one. And first we're gonna start with 28 divided by 7. Yeah, so I'm gonna open the brackets 3 times. 28 divided by 7 is 4, and then plus 2. I'm gonna close the bracket, times 2, times, 2, and then plus 5, close the bracket again, minus 3, close the bracket again, and times 5. Okay, then we're gonna solve the 4 plus 2, that's 6. So I'm gonna open 2 times the bracket, because 4 plus 2 is the final answer in that first bracket. So that's 6 times 2 plus 5, closing the bracket, minus 3, closing the bracket again, and then multiplying with 5. Yeah. So write down always the intermediate steps. Now, in that first big bracket, this one, there's another bracket, and that's 6 times 2 plus 5. Now think about the order again. First multiply, so 6 times 2. So I'm gonna open the bracket, 6 times 2 is 12, 12 plus 5, and then minus 3, closing the brackets, times 5. 12 plus 5 is 17. So I'm gonna open it again. 12 plus 5 is 17 minus 3. So you can leave the brackets. from 12 plus 5, and then times 5. There you go. 17 minus 3 is the bracket. That's 14. And then the last one, 14 times 5 is 70. So x of 70 is the final answer from exercise 9b. Yeah. So very important are the order of operations. There you go. Yeah. So first the brackets, then the powers or the square roots, then multiplication and division, and order number 4 is the addition and the subtraction. Alright, so good luck with the exercises, and if there are any questions, please ask. Good luck!